What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your favorite channel, Chips Poke Rips. Hope everybody's having a good day. So today for the unboxing, we're gonna be doing Shining Fates pin set. Comes with 3 packs, promo card, and a pin. You know, hopefully we get that Charizard. Even though the hype is not as crazy anymore, but hey, it's a Charizard added to my collection. Also have, I got one of these to open today, the tins. I heard this comes with Sun and Moon base, I think, and an Evolutions pack. So the Evolution pack's really good. So hopefully we get something good from that. Also a Charizard. You know, can't go wrong with that. Maybe I'll do 2. Let's see. And also have for you guys today, we got the Shadow Rider Chilling Rain box. You know the promos. It comes with the big card and the small. And this one also has, I think, Darkness Ablaze and something else, but it's pretty good, you know. Picked up 2 of these. Open this one. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and you know, hit that subscribe button and press that like button too, and share please. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off. So I decided to open up a Shining Fate mini tin, and we're gonna save this one for last. So we'll start with this one, and then we'll do the pin set, and then we'll do the Shadow Rider box after that. So let's open this up. See if we get that Charizard. Still haven't gotten it even when the set started. Let's see. Okay. We got an Eevee coin. That's to the side. We got the card that comes with it. And we got the 2 packs. We got the Charizard. And I forgot the other guy's name. Okay, so let's put this to the side. And let's start off with this pack. See if we get anything good. Okay. Here's that code. Here you go. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go with fire. Oh, psychic. Okay. Grookey, more Pekka, more Pico, Spinnerack. Oh, okay, baby. A baby shiny happening. A Celebi. Okay, not bad. Starting off with that. Go to the side. Let's put that in the sleeve. Hold on. Okay. Go. Now, next pack, Charizard. Okay. Code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go with water. Nope, steel, okay. Amaranth, Rusty Shield, T-Melton, Coughing, Chaffinch, Rowlet, Churl, Pico, and nothing. Yep, that's it for those. I guess I'll put this to the side in here. And I'll put this in my right side. Okay. Now, let's open up the pin set. There we go. side, we got this is the promo card, and we got 3 packs. Oh, here's that code card. There you go. Alright, so these are the 3 packs. Start off with this one. Really difficult to open this one. Got it. Okay, here's that code card. There you go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the front, and let's go with fire. Nope. Okay. Okay. Rusty sword. Go. Keep it. Okay. Spinner rack and. Oh no, that wasn't even it. Here we go. Another spinner rack. Reverse hollow and nothing. Okay. I guess I'll put these to the side again. Next pack. Let's go with this one. Look at these packs, it's like so tight. It's kind of good, but then kind of bad to kind of open it. Hold on, guys. It's difficult to open it. There you go. Okay, code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and leaf. I mean grass, steel. Okay, okay, Luxio, Spinarak, Gauntlet, Pico, Naked, EV. And Omega. Nope. Okay. Last pack magic. Let's see if we get it. Okay. Use that code. There you go. Oh, it's a little faded. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see that last pack magic. We'll go with fire. Nope. Wall guy. Sawaki. Orsi. Rowlet. Pico. Spinarak. Oh, amazing rare. Nice. Got this. I think I got this, yeah. I'll take it. Okay. At least we got one good card out of those shining fates. Put this guy in a sleeve. Maybe I could do some trades or anything. Put these cards. I guess I'll put them in this tin for now, just to keep them separated. And this here. The coin. Wait, can I put the promo card in there too? Maybe it'll fit. Yeah, and the pin. Perfect. Put that away for now. Next, hold on, let me just clear some of this garbage out. Okay, next, we got this one. Hopefully we get something real good. Let's open this up. Oh, sorry about that. that? Promo Shadow Rider V. And we got the Jumbo. Put those to the side. And let's put those in later on. And we got 2 Chilling Reigns. And we got 1 Rebel Clash. And 1 Darkness Ablaze. Here's that promo. Get this stuff out of the way. And let's start off with Rebel Clash. See if we got anything good with this guy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. You guys can go check me out on TikTok and also check me out on Instagram. Also on Twitter, so I'll put on the screen, I'll show it. You guys want to follow me there too, show some love. Here you go. Code. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with grass. No, water. Okay, Twin Energy. Growlithe. Roly-Poly. Reverse Lampent. Lampent? I don't know. Nope. Nothing good from that pack. Let's put these to the side. I gotta put these away later anyway, so see if I can put them back in the pack that it came in. Because I didn't really destroy it. Or kind of did, but let's see. Okay, I got it. Alright, next, Darkness Ablaze. Okay. Get that code. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Let's go with Psychic. Nope, Steel. Okay, Rose Tower. Rowlet. Skitty. Okay. Just reverse. And that's it. I think I got most of these, but gotta keep these to the side so I could try to put these away later. And Chilling Reign. Let's go with the Rider. Well, opened up easily. So far I've been doing okay now recently good with Chilling Reign. Let's see if we get anything good. There you go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic. Nope, Grass. Hunter, Doctor, Filio, NK, Score Bunny, Diglett, Reverse, and that's it. Next, we got the Galarian Zapdos. See if we get any. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Doctor. Medium. Centipede. Snover. Galarian Slowpoke. Okay, I don't think I have this one. And I got that one. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Didn't really get anything in this, but it's okay. And for last, we got this 10. Let's open this up. Supposedly this has an evolution pack inside. Let's see what we get. throw some of this cash out because it's all up in the way. Just throw these boxes out separate. Use this bag for the cards. Alright, here we go. Gonna open it on screen so we both could be surprised to see what we get. Okay, we got coin. Let's see what's under this. Please let it be evolutions. Evolutions, yes. So it was right. And then we got card. Okay, so let's do the sword and shield first, and then we'll do evolutions. I really hope we get something good from evolutions. So far I've opened up maybe 3 or 4 packs and nothing good, but let's see. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. No grass. Reboot. Longberry. Energy. Goldine. Amper. I see something good. I see something. Okay. And ooh, gold card. Nice. Ordinary rod. I haven't gotten this. This is for Sword and Shield base. Okay. Everything's changed on this one. We got something good. I'll put this in the top loader. Let's put this in the top loader. There you go. Very nice. And evolutions. Let's do this. Think positive. I think this one is supposed to be, I think it's 2 to the front. Is that code? Maybe it's 2 to the front. 1, 2, I think. Oh, let's see, man. Oh, let me put these to the side. We got Hunter, Blastoise Spirit Link, Poliwag. Hold on, let me see something. It's a little weird, I don't know. Energy, Rattata, Vulpix, Electabuzz, Reverse Hollow Diglett, Farfetch. Okay, I think this is a secret, but this is good. Okay, at least we got something good. I've seen this before, people pull this, but I think this is a good card. Let's put this away in the sleeve, and I'll even put it in the top loader just to keep this one safe. I know people have gotten this one, so it has to be good. I don't know, it looks like the colors are off a little bit, but I don't know. These were straight from Pokemon Center, so there we go. Put this there. And put these. I'll put these away for now. Let's just put them back in the tin. Yeah, I should do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put these here. I'll put the sword and shield in the bottom, and then I'll put the other one on top. I get to put them away later because I have to step out, so just put these here, put these there, put the coin away, and I'll put the other ones in here. So this is all good stuff that we got today. Not bad for evolutions, and this is Sword and Shield base. And then we have the Shadow Rider, the promo card that came in the box. We got the jumbo, so I'll be putting those away. And that's it. Yeah, that's all I got for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you guys know when there's a new video. And go show some love on my other pages that I told you about, my Twitter and TikTok and also Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.